welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, Dajahao, Privet, Namaskar, Dhanyavad, my viewers, my shotao, my students. Today we are going to view the use of wet, wet, wet. There are two accents for wet and wet. So, wet is used as an interrogative adjective in speaking as well as in academic studies. Wet is very commonly used on a broad way in speaking and in academic studies, and with the help of what many questions and queries are asked around the world. So this is very important interrogative adjective. Let's see this use of which in questionary phrases behind on the whiteboard. Here you are, my students. The first phrase, the first statement, the first question is, what Emma is playing about? 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 Emma क्या तजर्बा कर रही है? What Emma is playing about? Emma क्या तजर्बा कर रही है? What Emma is playing about? What Emma is playing about? Emma क्या तजर्बा कर रही है? What Emma is playing about? Emma क्या तजर्बा कर रही है? What Emma is playing about? Emma क्या तजर्बा कर रही है? My viewers, my students, guys and girls and शताओ, आप देख रहे हैं कि वट का इस्तेमाल इस फ्रेज में हुआ है, इस क्वेश्चन में हुआ है, और यहाँ पे प्लेइंग अबाउट जो है ये एक फ्रेजल वर्ब है और इसको बड़ी खूबसूरती से इस्तेमाल किया गया है इस जुमले में, इस सेंटेंस में, इस फिक्रे में। एंड इसके मानी जो हैं, व्हाट एमा इज प्लेइंग अबाउट, प्ले अबाउट होता है टू investigate, to search out about something, to investigate something and then decide what to take up and what to drop. So play about has good meanings. What Emma is playing about? What Emma is playing about? Emma क्या तजर्बा कर रही है? What Emma is playing about? Emma क्या तजर्बा कर रही है? आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं। Next one is, what babe is playing around? 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 हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? Guys and viewers and my students, what babe is playing around? Babe means हसीना, beautiful women, and playing around means to look out for his interest, for her interest, to look out for one's interest, to look out for one's personal interest, to look out for one's personal interest. So, what babe is playing around? What babe is playing around? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं। Next one is, what Mona is looking for? What Mona is looking for? What Mona is looking for? मोना क्या तलाश कर रही है? What Mona is looking for? मोना क्या तलाश कर रही है? What Mona is looking for? मोना क्या तलाश कर रही है? What Mona is looking for? मोना क्या तलाश कर रही है? In this statement you see that लुक फॉर होता है टू सर्च आउट, to search out, to find out something which you require, to find out, to search out something which you require. That is the meaning of, that is the meaning of what Mona is looking for. Looking for means to find out, to search out what one's require. So what Mona is looking for, what Mona is looking for, मोना क्या तलाश कर रही है, what Mona is looking for, मोना क्या तलाश कर रही है। आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज what two is giving out, what two is giving out, what two is giving out, two क्या बांट रही है, what two is giving out, what two is giving out, what two is giving out, two क्या बांट रही है, what two is giving out, two क्या बांट रही है, what two is giving out, two क्या बांट रही है, what two is giving out, two क्या बांट रही है। इन दिस क्वेरी टू जो है गिविंग आउट मीन्स टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट समथिंग, टू गिव अवे समथिंग, टू गिव अवे समथिंग, टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट समथिंग अमंग अदर्स, टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट समथिंग अमंग अदर्स, टू गिव अवे समथिंग टू अदर्स means give out. So this is a beautiful phrase. What two is giving out, 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 two क्या बांट रही है, two क्या तकसीम कर रही है। आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज what Manu is eating up, 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 मानो चटपट क्या खा रही है, what Manu is eating up, what Manu is eating up, what Manu is eating up, मानो चटपट क्या खा रही है, what Manu is eating up, what Manu is eating up, मानो चटपट क्या खा रही है। Guys, viewers, my students, there are some tasty dishes, tasty foods. So in that regard, this query, this question is commonly asked. What Manu is eating? What Manu is eating up? Manu क्या खा रही है? Eat up is also a phrasal verb. That means to take in something. To take in something. Eat up means to take in something. So eat up means to take in something. So what Manu is eating up, what Manu is eating up, मानो चटपट क्या खा रही है, what Manu is eating up, what Manu is eating up, मानो चटपट क्या खा रही है। आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज what are boys doing now, 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 लड़के अब क्या कर रहे हैं, what are boys doing now, लड़के अब क्या कर रहे हैं, what are boys doing now, लड़के अब क्या कर रहे हैं, what are boys doing now, what are boys doing now, लड़के अब क्या कर रहे हैं, what are boys doing now, what are boys doing now, लड़के अब क्या कर रहे हैं। Hey guys, these are very interesting phrases. Let's repeat them again. आइए इन्हें एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं। Let's see the first phrase, first query, first question. What am I playing about? 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 Emma क्या तजर्बा कर रही है? What am I exploring? What am I exploring? What am I exploring? What am I exploring? What am I playing about? The synonym of playing about is exploring, exploring, and noun is exploration, exploration. किसी चीज़ पे तहकीक करना, इन्वेस्टिगेट करना, किसी चीज़ पे तहकीक करना कि वो कितनी फ़ायदेमंद हो सकती है, वो कितनी सूटेबल एंड एडवांटेजेस हो सकती है। तो What am I is playing about? What am I is playing about? What am I is exploring? What am I is exploring? What am I is playing about? What am I is playing about? Emma क्या तजुर्बा कर रही है? And next one is what babe is playing around? What babe is playing around? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? What babe is playing around? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? What babe is playing around? Playing around is relates to the personal activities, personal traits. So we may say that babe is trying to make a date. Babe is trying to dating. Babe is trying to dating. Babe is trying to make a date. Babe is trying to make a date. Babe is trying to make a date. Babe is trying to have a date. Babe is trying to have a date. Babe is trying to make a date. What babe is playing around? What babe is playing around? हसीना क्या गुल खिला रही है? The babe is trying to make a date. The babe is trying to dating. The babe is trying to make a date. The babe is trying to dating. Let's see the next phrase. Next one is what Mona is looking for. What Mona is looking for. What Mona is looking for. Mona क्या तलाश कर रही है? What Mona is looking for. Mona क्या तलाश कर रही है? What Mona is looking for. There may be that Mona is looking for her. Mona is looking for her garland. Mona is looking for her garland. Mona is looking for her necklace. Mona is looking for her necklace. Mona is looking for her garland. Mona is looking for her garland. Mona is looking for her necklace. Mona is looking for her pets. Mona is looking for her pets. So let's see the next query. What two is giving out? What two is giving out? What two is giving out? Two क्या बांट रही है? What two is giving out? What two is giving out? What two is giving out? Two क्या बांट रही है? Two is giving out some sweets. 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 Maybe this may be a possible answer and there may be so many other answers. So two is giving out some sweets. Two is giving out some chocolates. Two is giving out some chocolates. Two is giving out some sweets. Let's see the next query. Next one is what Manu is eating up. What Manu is eating up. What Manu is eating up. Manu चटपट क्या खा रही है? What Manu is eating up. Manu चटपट क्या खा रही है? And possible answer may be Manu is eating up a burger. Manu is eating up a burger. Manu is eating up a McDonald's. Manu is eating up a McDonald's burger. Manu is eating up a McDonald's burger. Manu is eating up a McDonald's burger. Manu is eating up a burger. Let's see the next query. Next one is what are boys doing now? 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 लड़के अब क्या कर रहे हैं? What are boys doing now? What are boys doing now? लड़के अब क्या कर रहे हैं? The boys are having rest now. The boys are having rest now. The boys are having rest now. The possible answer may be the boys are having rest now. The boys are having rest now. लड़के अब आराम कर रहे हैं. Hey you guys, these are very interesting phrases and their answers. Make a good practice to memorize these phrases and their answers. I'll see you again. Goodbye.